Hey everybody, I'm back again. First thing I want to give my condolences to all the people involved in the Boston Marathon explosions and stuff. It's just crazy. Anyway, I do want to give my sincere condolences and kudos to all the law enforcement that put the place on lockdown and caught the culprits. Now, I'm going to continue with this video just to show you economical way to shoot your AR, which I have right here, which is of course the 223, and as you can see, this is a nice rifle, but this is what I wanted to show you this here. This is a complete kit to turn your AR into a 22 long rifle. There's a full line of instructions. You get extra mags, and it's got all kinds of parts and how to maintenance it. It's real nice. Here's the upper, and I mean, it's literally identical to a regular AR upper. So it's all self-contained. Got a nice barrel. It's all lightweight, and it pins right to your upper. And I have went and got a rail for it so I can have some sights, because it only has the front sight post when you buy it like this. But I'll show you how easy it is to do this. It's relatively a snap. You just take your AR like this, you push your pin in, pull this pin out. Come on. Oh, that one won't come out, I forgot. This one won't. And you just take it like this and pull it like this. I hear the boys coming in with their airsofts. And go in it. Oh, hang on guys. They were airsofting, but it's getting dark. But anyway, here's your AR lower. You just put this on like this. Get your pin in. Come on, get in there. It's a little tight, a little snug. That's well it should be. Come on, get in there. It's a little tighter than your normal one, but and then you can put your carry handle on like this. And now your AR-15 is now a 22 long rifle. And it works really well. I've used it this winter several times. I never made a video about it because it comes with two 25 round magazines. Tighten the mag well. Stays open when its last shot's fired. Doesn't have a bolt hold open though. Like I said, there's a two 25 or 27 round magazine, something like that. So there it is. The Chiappa, I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's made in Italy, but all I'm going to do now is go get another composite lower, and then I won't have to swap it out to the camo one. This is, like I said, it's a little tight because it's still new. Just that back pin's tight a little bit, but it's better to be a little tight than loose. Yeah. So, real tight. There we go. And then you just pull your front pin out. It's tight too. That's okay. Better, like I said, better tight than loose. So, get it out like that. A little bit more. A little more. There we go. Oh, it's real tight. Oh. Not how tight it was. But there you go. The Chiappa. Chiappa? I have no idea. Chiappa. That upper. It's substantially lighter than the normal one. Hence it, come on, you little bugger. There we go. Nice and easy. Good as now. So there we have the 22 offer for your AR-15 for economic plinking in these trying times. So keep watching for some more shooting stuff. We're going to set up a little Hogan's Alley for some 22s and do a little moving and scooting, shooting at targets. So keep watching and keep pointing in a safe direction. I'll see you guys.